Holiday Twin Rinks in Cheektowaga spent the better part of the past week scrambling to fix problems with the building's heating system, which sent more than 100 people to the hospital with carbon monoxide poisoning. Thankfully, they're back open tonight. Our Dylan Morello hears from inspectors who cleared the business to open and from players eager to get back out on the ice.
After 8 days of hard work following over 100 people being treated for carbon monoxide poisoning, the rink is finally open to the public after Cheektowaga code enforcement inspectors conducted their final inspection earlier this morning.
What it takes to get all the work done and completed is relatively short time, and a lot of effort was put by the management group to make sure that everything was looked at and replaced.
In a statement released Friday, Holiday Twin Rinks owner Mark Grundich said they replaced required pieces of equipment like the defective lobby unit heater, which was the cause of the high CO levels, 4 rooftop exhaust fans, and brand new CO detectors throughout the building, including all locker rooms, along with multiple other added but not required items.
My guys were out there close to 20 times over the course of the week, looking at every single device as each one came online, and actually they changed out and they inspected and they cleared them to operate.
Coburn added that every piece of equipment installed into the rink, along with the carbon monoxide detectors, have a 10-year life expectancy, giving those who took the ice today an added peace of mind.
Given the experts and the people that take care of this rink, I feel confident that they've done what they need to do to clean things up.
While 8 days might not be a long time to wait, for those that skate regularly, having the rink back open safely means a lot.
I don't think anybody does anything intentionally. I just think that, sometimes things get missed and things happen. These guys have been around for a long time. It's a small rink, and, it's an old school rink, and this is what we love, hockey.
Now, Mark Grundich concluded in a statement saying, while this is the first time in the past 5 decades that the rink has had to deal with something like this, it doesn't matter. The importance is always there about the health and safety of those on and off the ice. Also thanking everyone that played a part in getting the rink back open. Reporting at Holiday Twin Rinks, Dylan Morello, News 4.